Ladies and gentlemen, as I stated and as alluded to by P.S. Karan, we want to now deal with this comprehensively. Going forward for this fiscal year, we may be restricted in some ways by the budget that we have, but this is a beginning of an opportunity to engage with a consultation with you as we prepare for the next budget. Under the 2017-2018 budget, government has made provision of $1.3 million for maintenance of drainage for municipal councils. These grant funds are shared amongst 11 town and city council for maintenance of drainage activities as per the submission from municipal councils and clearance by local government. Now, as provided to in the MOA, this is how this money of 1.3 million is shared, given the size of the town council and the nature of problems that they are facing. Nasino Town Council, 476,000. Nasuri Town Council, 80,000. Singatoka Town Council, 32,000. Neni Town Council, 352,000. Lotoka City Town Council, 40,000. Bar Town Council, 32,000. Tagua Town Council, 12,000. Rakiriki Town Council, 212,000. Lambasa Town Council, 48,000. Savisavu Town Council, 21,000. And Lavuka Town Council, 15,000. So a total of $1.3 million. Ladies and gentlemen, this, as you know, the financial year ends in July, so we will need to get this all out to you by then. The purpose of the grant is, again, for the maintenance and upgrading of municipal council drains. The details of where the grant funds are to be utilized are provided to in the MOA. But in a nutshell, the grant will be paid in a quarterly installments as per the cash flow outlined in Schedule 1 of the MOA. But it will be on a acquittal basis. So please note that unless and until you provide detailed acquittals to us, no funds will be released. The municipal council must declare that they are not receiving funds that duplicate the funding. So we want to ensure that we do provide these funds to the towns which require. Now, the municipal councils must utilize the grants as efficiently and effectively as possible, and must take action to improve its efficiency and effectiveness as required by the government. So we want, in a nutshell, to get the maximum value out of this money, and we will continuously work with you to ensure that we provide to you the numerous complaints and submissions that has been made to us by your members in your municipalities. We will be regularly passing those on to you. Some may have already been passed on to you. So we would want to see action on those. So in a nutshell, unlike the practice before where we just give you an upfront grant, we are saying this is the amount you have now. These are the issues. Go ahead and engage and do it and submit the acquittals to us. Our engineers will also make visits to the sites to ensure that the work is done and done in a manner that will ensure that all the parties are satisfied. And it is done by the contractors to our satisfaction and the satisfaction of not only the funders but also the users. Okay? The municipal councils must make the records available to the government and to the Auditor General upon request. All records of this agreement should be kept up to a period of 7 years. And we will, as going forward, we will create a dashboard where you can regularly submit to us information on that. So the ministry may, upon reasonable notice of the municipal council, conduct site visits. So we will be conducting site visits. In this regard, we would want you to give us details on a monthly basis where the work is being carried out, so that our engineers are also can visit those sites and see that the work is done. So that we don't want to be caught up in the end that we gave the money and the work hasn't been done to our requirement, but payment has been made. So with these words, I want to thank you all for coming over, and I think it's the beginning of a different era where we will ensure that we provide the kinds of resources that you need. And as I said, this is a beginning of a period of consultation with you, so that in the next budget, you don't have an issue that you weren't given sufficient amount of funds to deal with this particular issue, which has a major implication not only on your activity, but also on the activity of households, their health, and their livelihood. Okay. So with these words, I want to thank you all for coming, and we will be getting the person who will be working from each town council, who will be working with us and our team on this particular aspect. Thank you very much. Thank you. Naka.